If you're looking for dog collars heavy duty, here's a collection you've got to see. Top 10 Most Popular Dog Collars Heavy Duty. Number 1, Most Popular, by Feliscanis. Watch this video and get inspired. Number 2, by Meikai. Number 3, by Dazzber. For more details about these dog collars products, just click this circle. Number 4, by RedLine Canine. Number 5, by Meikai. Find these dog collars heavy duty at up to 70% off by clicking the circle in the corner. Number 6, by Chain Collar. Number 7, by Moonpit. Click the circle in the corner to find more amazing products and gift ideas. Number 8, by Reopet. Number 9, by Dogs My Love. Discover more dog collars heavy duty ideas and items to explore, click the info circle. Number 10, by Blueberry Pet.
Thanks for watching this collection. If you like it, subscribe to our channel.